Understanding the role of a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust is a legal tool that acts as a contract, helping individuals manage and administer their estate efficiently. It ensures that specific actions are executed in alignment with your wishes, providing legal recognition and clarity in financial and estate matters. This document carries significant weight in court, as courts rely on properly documented paperwork to make rulings. Without it, decisions cannot proceed. The importance of claiming your abandoned credits. In a fiat-based currency system, debt functions as money. Many of the debts you owe are, in fact, abandoned credits that have not been claimed, endorsed, or deposited. Reclaiming these credits requires understanding the processes involved, which are outlined step by step in this guide. By following these steps, you can ensure that you are in control of your finances and recover funds rightfully owed to you. Preparation steps for trust creation and credit recovery. To begin, gather essential personal documents, such as your birth certificate, social security card, and ID. With these, you can create a revocable living trust tailored to your needs. Templates are widely available online, and you can file the trust with your Secretary of State using UCC-1 filings for public notice. This establishes the trust's legal validity and protects your assets. When establishing your trust, include essential details, such as your social security number, and ensure these are secured as part of the trust's property. Properly structuring the trust prevents unauthorized access and shields your estate from external claims. Steps to formalize your trust. Make copies of essential documents. Have 3 copies of your birth certificate, social security card, and any other IDs. File and notarize the trust. Use a public notary to validate your trust, signing it in purple ink, symbolizing sovereignty. Record the trust. File it with your county clerk or Secretary of State as per your state's requirements. Ensure you obtain an EIN, employer identification number, for your trust through the IRS website, which is essential for its operation. Filing IRS forms to claim abandoned credits. To reclaim abandoned credits, you will need to complete and file forms such as IRS 2848, Form 56, and others. These forms establish your authority to manage your estate and claim credits. Always include supporting documentation, such as copies of your trust, social security card, and notarized letters. Navigating the credit claim process. Claiming credits involves several steps. Gather account information. List all accounts linked to your social security number, including bank statements and loan details. Calculate credits. For each debt, calculate the total amount and multiply it by 10. This reflects the fractional reserve banking system's valuation. File 1099 forms. Use 1099B forms to report these credits, ensuring accurate data for each account. Setting up a trust bank account. To handle funds and assets under your trust, open a non-interest-bearing trust account at a bank or credit union. This maintains privacy and adheres to the trust's non-commercial nature. Take notarized trust documents, EIN information, and identification when setting up the account. Steps for addressing legal and tax matters. Notify relevant authorities. Send copies of your trust and supporting documentation to entities such as your Secretary of State, Attorney General, and IRS. File tax forms. Use platforms like 1099 Online. Com or Tax Act to complete necessary forms, including 1041 returns for trust management. Sign with proper authorization. Use purple ink for signatures, and ensure all forms align with your trust's legal and financial framework. Avoiding pitfalls and ensuring compliance. Reclaiming credits and managing a trust requires accuracy and integrity. Falsifying data or attempting to exploit these systems can lead to legal consequences. Follow the steps diligently and consult professionals if needed to ensure proper compliance with all legal requirements. Moving forward with confidence. By creating a revocable living trust and reclaiming abandoned credits, You take control of your financial and legal future. These tools empower you to secure your estate, recover funds, and navigate complex systems with confidence. Remember, proper documentation, attention to detail, and adherence to legal standards are key to achieving your goals.